Okay, so you might see these weird ads on YouTube showing this website called customuse, which pretty much lets you create shirts and 3D models with AI completely for free. But then you go to the website, so I'm right here, customuse. You create an account, but turns out like it's completely, you know, it's just cash grab. They just want your money. So they create an image from the prompt. And I'm like, oh yeah, I can 3D generate. But then you click generate and boom, you have to pay. And you can do this once. I tried it once with the top hat. You can do it once. Same thing with shirts. As you can see, you only get 2 free downloads. So for example, this is the one I got my free downloads on. So I can keep downloading this, but for any new ones, for example this one, only pro users can download private designs. So they just want your money, okay? But I actually managed to find a way to get this for free. Sadly, it only works on shirts and pants, so not on 3D models, which I guess is kind of sad, but I hope it's fine. So there's a few ways to do this. So okay, so for example, you make a shirt, you choose this one. You can like use this design. There's some images. Yeah, a lot of these are just pro, which is stupid. Oh yeah, please purchase pro. So just, for example, if you want to add some text to it, like maybe right here. Okay, boom. Now when you click export, you can upload to Roblox. That's pro. Publish and customuse. This will work. There's an AI generated description. Save and publish. This doesn't matter at all. But yeah, it's 0 free downloads remaining. So how do we come around this? Oh yeah, it literally asks you to pay pretty much all the time. So how do we come around this? So what I want to go ahead and do is open the link in my description, and it will take you to this definitely not vibe coded website. Then you go back to here. This is the shirt we just made. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is click these and then edit info. Then as you can see up here, the URL updates when you click that. So now this part of the URL is not here, but then you click here, this window pops up, and this part is here. This is the design ID. This is pretty much what we need. So you can select the entire URL. So you come to the website and you paste it in and you click fetch assets. And boom, there we go. Now we got the images. Now it might look like they're completely same, but if you actually just go here, but as you can see, they just look like this. This is how it should look like. This is how shirts and pants are structured. So yeah, then you can download them right there, and just like that. Now, if you don't want to customize it, you just want these shirts, you can also search, for example, red shirt. And you got a lot of red shirts. As you can see, I'll choose this one. So this is pro. You have to pay to use this and download it. But you can actually just come around this by copying this. And this only works if you search for the asset. So for example, if I go to templates and let's say this design, there is no design ID. So how to come around this, we click the 3 dots and then report, and boom, there we have design ID, which we need. We can copy this. Did I remove the website? Okay, right here, paste it in, and boom, there we go. And now it's different since these are only the pants. And I'll show you soon that these actually work. They are uploadable. But yeah, for example, if you search for red shirt, I want to download this, you can just copy the URL. Why do I close the website? Paste it back in. Boom, there we go. Now I'm gonna take this and download it as shirt, hold on, .png. Boom, there we go. Classic shirt. You'll upload the asset, which will be red shirt. As you can see, this should work. Just red shirt, hit upload, and then you'll just have to wait for these to process. There we go. Look, just set this to 5. And there we go. So it does work. Works with pants as well. If the shirts work, pants should also work. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now, if you're wondering how this works, I'm gonna go over that right now. If you don't care, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, so how this works, pretty much, they just left it out completely for free in the API. So, okay, so the thing is that they have this endpoint called api.customuse customuse.com/v1. And yeah, as you can see, I've searched for these. And I have talked to a developer, but I don't know, they're just gonna assume no one really knows about it, so it should be fine. So pretty much how this works, there's this texture tab right here, and these two are files. So just copy this and paste it in here, and then hit that button right here. Yeah, as you can see, it's the shirt. And as you can see here, this is the design ID. So for example, this one, here we have the design ID. We can copy this and just replace this with that. And we just get the same, ones. Some are WebPs, some are PNGs. I don't know why. But here it is. It's the exact same one. And the thing is, on some shirts, you can see it will be a WebP, which Remlux doesn't support. But it will also be the complete wrong resolution. As you can see, this is a lot bigger than these are, and this is the one Remlux prefers. So the website, if it is a WebP, it will convert it to the right resolution and image format. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this little website, just like and subscribe, or don't. I don't care. I just wanted to show this because I think it's pretty useful.